What is up, guys? My name is Kasha Jammers, and hello. I'm here today to talk to you about. Well, I'm not going to talk to you about. I'm going to show you about puppy love. I read the others. Freaking 10 of them. How can we lose? Where are they? Are they all over? I see Sunny. I see Sunny under that chair. There's the mama. See who's all under here. Where are the puppies? Hold on, guys. We are back, and we found five little puppies. Got 5 little puppies, 6 puppies. Found that one. Now, I just need to find my little 4. I see Pee-wee. Right here, see Pee-wee. That's Sunny. I only have 7 puppies. No, 7, yes. Sorry. But Pee-wee, Sunny, and oh, actually, no, we have 6 puppies. Where are they? Over here. They're right under there. My sister take them? Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. We're on a mission to find 4 puppies. There's my uncle. I'm recording for YouTube. So, yeah. Yes. Where are they? We're missing 4 puppies. Evie, the one we're taking home. Fluffy, my sister's favorite. Scamp, and Curious. Here, guys. Are they? See in there? What the heck? Let me get this. We're at my grandma's house right now. I don't know where the mom is at either. It's over there. Ow. Puppies, anyone there? No? I freaking go inside to get my phone to record it, and now 4 puppies are missing. Oh no. Oh no. Lola, find the other puppies. Come on, girl. Chop, chop. Come on. Yeah, they're not in there. They couldn't be invisible. They would have been invisible. Come on, girl. Find the missing puppies. Wait, that's probably Maggie, the other dog. Is it? Yeah, that's Maggie. Come on, guys. Oh, crap. Hold on here. We're missing 4 puppies. We're missing 4 puppies. I just keep forgetting I'm having a camera right here. At least it's not 4 minutes yet. A freaking corn on the cob or a freaking turd? Probably both. Okay, hold on. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 4. Where are they? They were under there. Pee-wee. Pee-wee? Found you. Where are they? kind of freaking retard down here, aren't they? No. Alright. That's them. Hey, 4 puppies are missing. 4 puppies are missing. That's my sister Ray Pony. We're missing Evie, Scamp, Curious, and Fluffy. Oh, you're not scared about Evie. That's the dog we're taking home for your dog. Dear God.
No, we're taking all the puppies next week. All of them. And Lola too.
Who said that?
Mom. I told her.
I'm gonna ask her at the end of this video. Say yes or no in the comments if you think she's correct or wrong. 'Cause my mom said we're only taking 1. We can't take all 10, and we can't take all.
We're really taking all of them.
We're taking no, after the video. We're taking freaking 11 dogs to San Antonio. Are you freaking kidding me?
Find those puppies.
You need a help.
If
Uncle Rick, you said they would probably be in there. I checked and there's no puppies. And every time I hear a whimper, it's these guys. The only dogs I found are these 4 and Sunny and Pee-wee. Oh, crap. Where the crap are they? I was supposed to say, if they're all under there, I'm gonna freaking slap my head. Where are they? It's just like... What? That's Sunny! He's called Sunny for a reason. He likes the sun. He already had enough today. He was... God, freaking Lola. I know what she's doing, protecting the puppies. And dude, my cousin ran after me and she went attack mode on him.
Really, we have to find Fluffy, Evie, and Scamp.
And Curious. Go tell Mom 4 puppies are missing.
Oh.
That's it. Mama, 4 puppies are missing! Damn it, God. Freaking bring it. Dear freaking God, please find these puppies. Amen. No. No, I'm trying to calm out. Son of a crap. Son of a freaking... I'm worried about them going in that cactus.
Or do we out there?
We're missing 4, Mom. At the end of the video here. Wish us luck on finding these puppies. We got 6. Bye.